This video will show you how to create and use a meeting card for the Opendoor Door Locking System. Firstly, you will need to open the software and log in using a username and password. Next, go to the card management on the left side and click Meeting Card. If it is a bedroom or meeting room you wish to use the meeting card on, then double-click on the room you require on the left side column. A pop-up window will appear. You can pick which date and what time you would like the card to be valid from. Click Issue Meeting Card and then Save. If it's a public door you wish to use a meeting card on, then click on the door you require from the public door list on the right side column. If needed, you can have both meeting rooms and public doors cut to one card. To use a meeting card, go to the door you wish to put into meeting mode. Present the meeting card. You will hear the lock beep once. This will now stay unlocked until you present the meeting card once more.